Hello crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the last batch of magazines that I have available in my Etsy shop. A little bit of history on these magazines. I created these magazines 4 years ago. It was me and two beautiful contributors who were willing to take the challenge and who were willing to just support me. And I didn't even know these ladies. These ladies, I met them online. And I just gave them my idea. I'm like, let's do this. And they said, sure enough, let's do this. For those of you who have purchased the magazines, you will see the contributors, their names, and their information in the inside cover. Now, I have been asked many, many times if I was going to create more magazines. And the answer at this point is no. These magazines, the production was pretty pricey. It was very time consuming. And for a one-man show, it was actually a lot to take on. And I'm just proud of myself for being able to accomplish such an amazing challenge. I put myself through and I did it. And for that in itself, I feel like I have succeeded in all ways. So I wanted to just let you know that I only have 2 issues left of the spring version of this one. And this is really, really cute. Every instruction has step-by-step photos and details of how to create your foam dolls. And in the back, it has the templates. So it is super easy to use, especially if you have no idea and you just want to get started somewhere. The magazines were a great start. Again, I only have 2 left of the spring, and I only have 10 left of Christmas. And they're all pretty much the same format with the photos and the step-by-step instructions. Again, if you have purchased these in the past, I want to just thank you from the bottom of my heart. And to all my Etsy customers, you guys rock. You are amazing. You are really the reason why I keep that shop open. I know that I've been wanting to do more on this YouTube channel. And there's parts of me that I will love to continue the foam. I just wish foam the craft would have exploded more in the US, but it really hasn't. It's slowly people get to know about it. They're curious, and I do get a lot of inquiries of people saying, thank you so much for having English videos, because still this craft is just very popular in South America. In Brazil, so the videos are mainly in Spanish or Portuguese. But I will try to do my best to continue the channel with foam projects, but there part of me wants to expand to other things. I have been a crafter all my life, and as much as I love scrapbooking, card making, I used to work with cold porcelain a lot, and I quit that many years ago. And I really love paper crafts. So there's a lot of other things that I'm interested in, and I'm just trying to figure out which avenue to take. Of course, I will not let go of the foam craft, because this was the reason why I opened the channel. The channel was for foam crafts. So I hope that if you are new to this channel, that this will spark interest and curiosity. And if you're not, I just really hope that you'll stick around with me. And I hope that I could inspire you in any other way. So back to the magazines. The fall one, I only have 2 left. And it's pretty much the same exact format as the other 2. Isn't he adorable? This Otto is his name, is so cute. This was Pumpkin Patty. This was my creation. But yeah, I'm getting emotional on these, because this truly was a labor of love. It really, really was. And I'm glad that I did it. And I guess it's time to move on. I'm hoping that I could just find other creative ways to expose this craft. If you have any ideas, please comment below. I would love to hear from you, especially my foam crafters, my Fofuchas doll makers. I know that many have asked me to keep doing doll videos, and some of these videos they take so much time. They really, really do. A project that can take you and me maybe an hour or 2 to create, a video itself can take 2 whole days. Can take just between filming and doing every shot, doing the editing, and then the uploading, it just takes a lot of work. And sometimes I'm very particular in my creations. Sometimes I make something and I don't really like it, or I don't think it's, I don't know, I don't really want to showcase it. I'm like, no. And then I start from scratch until I find it that I completely, am ready to showcase it. So, but that's just me. That's just me being very meticulous in some of my work. And I really enjoy it though. I love it. I've always felt like crafting, it's been a great therapy for me, a great outlet. So I do hope you stick around in this channel. If you're new, please give it a big like and subscribe. I mean, I have so much to offer, and I look forward to just continue to grow in the channel itself. Well, thank you for spending your time with me. I'm going to leave my Etsy link below. Again, very limited supplies of these magazines, so run and get them. And I thank you for watching. Have a great day and God bless.